Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the mark and immediate surroundings. You test a small hidden spot to confirm whether the marker is permanent or dry erase because the cleaning approach differs. Gather rubbing alcohol, a microfiber cloth, cotton swab, and a small bowl of baking soda mixed with water. Once ready, dab a cotton swab in alcohol and gently blot an inconspicuous area. This prevents finish damage. If the finish resists, switch to the baking soda paste for a gentler trial. You now remove the bulk of the marker by blotting with alcohol. Press lightly and lift instead of rubbing to avoid smearing. Once done, for any remaining pigment, apply the baking soda paste using a microfiber cloth and rub in small circular motions. The paste acts as a mild abrasive and pulls color without harsh chemicals. Make sure to work outward from the stain. This keeps the mark from spreading. After the mark fades, wipe residue with a damp cloth and inspect under good light. You finish by rinsing the cleaned area with a damp cloth to remove any alcohol or paste remnants, then dry thoroughly to prevent water spots. Once dry, apply a small amount of furniture oil or paste wax to restore sheen and protect the surface. If the marker persists, don't panic. Test a commercial stain remover on a concealed spot before applying. This avoids finish damage. If nothing works, consider gentle sanding and refinishing, but consult a professional for valuable or antique furniture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.